Hello everybody, how is it going? And today I show you how to make rubber-powered helicopter. So, for that we need it's a paper weighing 116 grams per square meter, a gum for fishing, it's bamboo sticks for barbecue, stick to a ball pan, and a piece of steel wire and piece of aluminium wire. In the first stage, we cut in half stick for barbecue. And then we make hooks from the wire, this and this. And then attach the hooks to the stick. And then we cut a paper. Now take the gum. And now gather together. Twist the blade and thus twist and gum. Oh, it's so cool. I like this process. So, it's very easy and so cool. It's my first helicopter. So on. Okay. Do it now. Thank you for watching. Good luck.